Hello friends, in this video we will see how SPARSH VP330E can be upgraded when using with Eternity range of IPPBX. SPARSH VP330E is an intuitive touchscreen IP phone integrating the traditional desk phone and 4.3-inch vivid color display in a single device. With on-screen BLF keys, presence, and power over Ethernet, that is PoE, SPARSH VP330E offers productivity features for increasing the speed of operations and streamlining communications, thus making it an ideal choice for reliable and flawless communication. While registering SPARSH VP330E in Eternity, it may happen that the firmware version of SPARSH VP330E is different to that supported in Eternity. In such cases, the phone will give a prompt, check firmware in server. There are two cases possible. Eternity supports a higher firmware than that of phone. Second, Eternity supports a lower firmware than that of phone. Let us start with the first case. In this case, we have to upgrade the phone to the supported version. This can be done in two steps. Modifying the xip_builtinfo.txt file of Eternity and providing firmware to the phone. Open Eternity's FTP. Go to System folder and copy the xip_builtinfo.txt file to your PC. Open the file in Notepad++, that is strictly recommended. Compare the version of VP340 in the file to the current version of the phone mentioned in phone info. Download the required firmware from ftp://matrixtelecomsolutions.com. There will be two contents, Eternity MFB and the release note. Open the Eternity MFB folder followed by xip_builtinfo.txt file in Notepad++, which is strictly recommended. Copy the string of VP340 from this file to the xip_builtinfo.txt file of Eternity. Add a new line by pressing enter at the end of the document. This completes modifying of xip_builtinfo.txt file. Copy this modified xip_builtinfo.txt file to System folder of Eternity. Now format a USB drive with FAT32 format. Insert the USB in Eternity. You will find a folder named Extended Firmware in Eternity's FTP. Copy the firmware from Eternity MFB to this folder. This completes the procedure of providing firmware to the phone. SPARSH VP330E is now ready for use. Let us take the second case. Here, we have to upgrade the supported firmware in Eternity. This can be done in a single step, that is, modifying the xip_builtinfo.txt file of Eternity. Download the required firmware from ftp:/matrixtelecomsolutions.com. After comparing the firmware in phone info and xip_builtinfo.txt file in Eternity FTP. There will be two contents, Eternity MFB and the release note. Open the Eternity MFB folder followed by xip_builtinfo.txt file. Copy the string of VP340 from this file to the xip_builtinfo.txt file of Eternity. Add a new line character by pressing enter at the end of the document. This completes modifying the xip_builtinfo.txt file. Copy this modified xip_builtinfo.txt file to system folder of Eternity. This completes modifying the xip_builtinfo.txt file. Reboot the phone. SPARSH VP330E is now ready for use. Thank you for watching this video. For further queries and support, contact Matrix Technical Support Team. For more videos, go to our YouTube channel, Matrix Comsec.